Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Friday and I'm home alone. Gasp. But Alex is in Virginia. He's been there for the past couple of days and will be there throughout the weekend visiting his parents. So I've been left to my own devices, which means Noodles & Co, obviously, shopping, Target, crafts, so many different things I've already gotten up to, and he's only been gone 2 days. So I'm really excited for this weekend and to keep doing my Kayla thing. But yeah, I wanted to start the vlog and take you guys along with me for the weekend at home and the stuff I get up to. I have stacks of things I want to show you guys back there that I've received over the past couple of days or I've picked up or whatever. Also, what do you think about this natural Kayla hair? I don't know if you guys know this, but my hair is like Hermione Granger's from the first movie, kind of like frizzy, crazy looking. So this is like my natural hair. I just didn't do anything with it today, but rocking the headband at my desk, gonna get some work done, have a couple of meetings, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So my desk and associated areas are a complete and total mess. Like, that was my lunch, so it's not like days old, but still. I need to get this figured out. And I think I hear the cats fighting, so that's fun. Let's see if we can find the culprits. Well, I got one. Were you just by yourself? Or not? There's a TARDIS over here. Hi, bud. What you doing in there? Huh? Hi, sweetheart. You hiding from your brother? Do you miss your dad? TARDIS hangs out with Alex so much that I'm sure he is missing the cuddles and the fun. If you guys are worried about the plant, he will not be eating it. I think he's just hiding in it. My cats don't really mess with the plants. I do need to prune these though. There's dead stuff everywhere, Tar. Oh, I put one on him. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, stop fighting. That'd be great. Thanks. Let's turn your toy on. Play with that. Huh? Play with that. TARDIS might. You'd think after 4 years there'd be some sort of civility. There really isn't. Get it, buddy. Yeah, handsome man. Just, you know, making a bigger mess. These are some new products I'm gonna put on the website, but I have to take photos of them. So I got a Lapras. I got a, oh my god, Togepi? No, that's so wrong. What? I knew his name! Oh, I'm embarrassed. Then these are a nurse lanyard and a teacher lanyard and 2 pouches that are completely my favorite, as well as a bread pencil case. Oh, are you done? Are you done being the worst? Are you done? It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell if he's done being the worst. We had an argument, so I think he's here to apologize. Yeah, he's here to apologize. All right, so I'm gonna talk you through this stuff over here because if I do, it means I can put it away. And I think I'll spend some of my afternoon cleaning my office. So I got 3 new games from Blue Orange. So this is a card game called Tofu Kingdom. Basically, you are Prince Mochi looking for his Princess Tofu. It's the cutest case. This is like metal. And it's like portable. Then there is Blue Lagoon. I haven't played any of these, obviously. They're still in the packaging. But this one looks like a really fun, like, exploration type of game. I'll keep you posted. And then this one I am the most excited about. I put that one on the ground. This one is called Block Ness. And you are a Loch Ness monster trying to take over the lake against your opponents. And it's actually in the box itself. The game like happens in the box. I am friggin' pumped to play this one. Then I bought some adhesive felt because I put these on the back of my embroidery projects. And then I was sent another period underwear to try out. This is by Lilova. Came in this little pouch. I'm a bit concerned because it's like really thick. Like pretty thick cotton material, and it's high-waisted. It might be great. I haven't tried it on yet, but it feels really thick because it goes all the way up. The like pad material goes all the way up the back. But this could be really great like post-pregnancy maybe? I don't know. I've never been pregnant. I don't know what that's like, but I'll keep you posted about that as well. And then I bought some more strands because I am doing another embroidery project soon. My mom bought me these like pillowcases for Christmas, but I needed to buy the cord for it. And then I bought the biggest embroidery hoop I could find for a project, like hand for scale. I don't know if I can really show you guys how amazingly large it is, but pretty excited about that. But now that I've shown you everything, I'm gonna try and clean up this office. Do you guys like my comfort bottoms and fancy top? You know you do. Okay, let's move this chair somewhere. Worst camera angle, Kayla. I'm gonna put you guys somewhere else. How's that? Is that any better? All right, let's clean this. So I don't think I need this pouch. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm trying to be better with pouches. I'm gonna put these in my dresser. Put the board games on their shelf. It smells like chocolate cake in my house, and I did not make a chocolate cake, so not sure what that's about. Sometimes I put things in the closet I have in this office. Basically, it's just like Kayla's gonna deal with it another day kind of place. I have some product from a client that I took photos, but I can't really get rid of it. And I don't really want to give it back to them yet because I'm not sure if I need to do other like lifestyle shots. So into the closet of doom it goes. All right, new angle for you. I put my hair back because the waves, however cute, were kind of driving me nuts. So I just like threw it back. All right, so I need to take out my trash. Let's put that by the door. Over here, this was for a client work, so I need to go through that with edits. They just sent me some edits for it, so I'll put this on my desk. Okay, this is my planner that I use for shots of kits. I feel like you guys are too far away. I'm really not crushing the locations for you today. Is this better? Maybe that's better. And then the window's super bright. So I try to like put my lights as far over as I can. Perfect. You can now see nothing. Great job. All right. My little wax pourer set goes back in its drawer. I leave it out so everything can cool. That was like 3 days ago, so put that away. Lakin came out with a collection of merch. So I have one of everything here. So I might film a video about that. Or take some cute photos for her. I always have like paperwork from clients and I hate paper clutter. You guys know this about me. I don't think I need this. I'm gonna put it on the stairs for Alex to look over to see if he wants it or needs it. But other than that, okay, do I need to take more photos of this? I don't remember. Let's kind of set this stuff off. I have a little bin to the side that I put things that I want to take photos of, but it's gotten so full because I just ignore some of the stuff in there to take photos of other things I'm more interested in taking photos of. Not the best practice, I am aware. Maybe I put the cardboard a little in the corner. She also has stickers. Like, look how cute these are. I'm so proud of her. I'm so excited for her. I feel feel like I really should scrub down this desk because it's just covered in tripod marks. So many tripod marks. That looks better already. Maybe I put these under the desk with my other pages. I like colored cardstock that I use sometimes. That back there. And then I have to photograph some promo stuff. This is one of them. That's another. Should just do all of this today. Just get it off the desk, but you know me, I probably won't. Okay, let's take this paper, take my food, put it away, get a garbage bag, deal with that problem. You guys friends now? The straw. Oh God. I almost dropped you. Oh God. Don't worry guys, my office isn't the only messy place. The dining room table has become my resin pouring station. I'm doing a bunch of these bears because I want to make barrettes for the store. And then I'm doing a little like platter. I made these last night or 2 days ago now, and I need to just sandpaper the bottoms of them. I've got some bangles, this little tray. It's all very fun and a huge mess and very sticky. So I have this like cardboard down here, but yeah, Alex is gone and I literally destroyed the house. So fun fact about Gallifrey, he's completely afraid of trash bags. You just have to like pull one out. I don't know why. It's not like we like torture him with them or anything, but like if you like shake it, he disappears. So I've gotten really good at being quiet when I open my trash bags, but when he sees me going into the pantry and pulling one out, he's gone. He's just out of here. So I realized that there's probably a better way to do my trash in my office, but I just really like this basket. So I feel like it's worth it in a way to have to deal with this insanity every week or so. I could just have a bag, like a regular trash can, but no. I wanted it in here. Okay, so it's a lot better already. Everything over there I need to take photos of. Like I don't want to put it anywhere else because I'm already neglecting it and it's on the table it needs to be on. So I'm fine with that. This is my home caddy that travels around with me, my little tote. So this I usually just have next to me on my desk somewhere and it moves around the house. So I'm cool with that. Got a little TARDIS. Ooh, I should put this camera bag away. I put it here because we had all of the windows open and my door slammed shut very dramatically. So I put it there to kind of like protect the cats from a door closing. Yeah, let's just pretend this, just close that. Perfect. Great, love it. Doing a good job, bud. I filmed a video of my favorite board games right now, and I still need to do B-roll for these games, so I need to get to that too. I just don't feel the motivation to do this stuff. I just don't feel it. I put their little stairs over here so they can hang out, look out the window, sit next to me when I work. I feel so much better already, just cleaning up those little bits and areas. But because Alex is gone this weekend, I don't really have any plans. Like, usually we hang out together, play games, or do something. So I don't have a lot on the docket, so I'm hoping that maybe tomorrow I'll feel a bit more motivated to do the photos or something, or maybe later today, because it's only like 1 o'clock right now, so I've still got like a whole day ahead of me. I lied to you. It's only 11. Oh my God. It's later in the day. It's officially 1 o'clock, not 11 o'clock, pretending to be 1 o'clock. Still no motivation. I have a 2 o'clock meeting. I just want to take a nap. And it's a beautiful day outside. I don't even know why I'm like crouching for this camera. Oh, this vlog is the worst. I'm so sorry.